Want to combine multiple photos on your iPhone in seconds without downloading any app? Here's the easiest way to do it. By the end of this video, you'll have a one-tap shortcut that combines photos automatically right from your iPhone. And the best part is, once you set this up one time, you can reuse it whenever you want. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the bottom left, tap on Shortcuts. Then go to the top right and tap the plus icon. Now we're going to build the shortcut step by step. Tap on New Shortcut, then tap Rename. You can call this anything you want. I'm going to name it Photos. And in the search bar at the top, type Select Photos. Then press the small blue arrow on the right, and make sure Select Multiple is turned on. This is what allows you to combine more than one image. Next, tap Search again, and type Combine Images. Select it, and now you can choose how the photos will be combined. You can stack them vertically in a grid or horizontally. I'm going to choose horizontally. Now search one more time, and type Save to Photo Album. Tap on it, and that's the entire shortcut done. Just tap Done in the top right. Now hold your finger on the shortcut, tap Details, then tap Add to Home Screen. Press Add in the top right, and now the shortcut is ready to use anytime. Tap on the shortcut. Your photo library will open, and now select the images you want to combine. I'll choose these two photos. Then tap Add. The shortcut will run automatically. And just like that, your combined image is now saved directly in your Photos app. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.